Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can we delete our face lock in our Vivo phone device. Guys, you want to delete your face lock means guys you want to remove your face lock, so guys you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove face lock in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to remove your face lock setting, and guys scroll it. Guys, you can see your security settings, so guys tap here. Guys, click on your face setting, tap here, and guys draw your pattern. So as you can see your clear physical data, so guys tap here to OK. Then guys your face lock will delete. You can see guys, again guys you want to set face lock, so guys you can set from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove face lock in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.